Much love and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a Get Ready With Me Loc Refresh. I just woke up and this is how I'm looking here. I did my face, but I have not touched my head at all. And I only have about 30 minutes before I need to go. So we're going to refresh these guys up and I'll show you how I do all that and we'll chat a bit. So definitely stay tuned, like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. Okay, you guys, so like I said, I've washed my face, oiled my face up, but I have not touched my hair. And I wanted to check in a bit more with it because every day this week I have been, getting up and not really, have I even sprayed? I've been spraying my face and everything. I haven't moisturized my hair at all. I would just kind of check in with it like this. It hasn't been feeling dry, so I haven't applied any spray. I haven't applied any oil at all. And I've had a couple of washes since my last retwist, so I really want to kind of get in and check in with it. I can kind of feel in here is feeling a little like bulky, which sometimes means some of them are getting together. Also, I dyed my hair, I colored my hair. I posted that video last, and you can see it's still, sticking around a bit. It's been, I want to say, over a week now, and it's still sticking around. So surprisingly, that hasn't dried at all. My hair has been moisturized, even, with that in it. So I just want to check in on that. I may apply some more. Not today. I do not have time. But I just kind of want to check in and get it going. Generally, you guys know this is how I wake up. I don't wear a bonnet or anything. I do have my satin pillowcase now, though, so hopefully that is helping to keep my hair. That might be why my hair is super moisturized this week too. I just thought of that. It's been 3 weeks with the satin pillowcase, so that might be it. I don't know. I'll link above to when I got my pillowcase, all that good stuff, and to my daughter and I dyeing my hair. But this is straight up how I got up. I've been wearing my hair back, like pulled back at the top like this all week. So I just usually go to sleep with it on there too. Some days I've been pulling up into ponytails, and I still just leave that. That's one of the things I love about locs, is like getting up and go for real. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with some oil. I do want to get some oil on my scalp in the back. Here's how I'm looking in the back. Let me make sure I'm in the camera. Can you guys see me? Hopefully. So here's how I'm looking in the back. I'm just going to get some oil on my scalp. It's not super dry, but I want to get some on there. It'll feel really good too. It's been a while. So I'm looking. I'm also going to get some in right here too. A little TLC for my head. So I've got my mix. You guys have seen me make my mix before. I've got some in this little bowl. It's actually left over from last time. I just kept it in my cabinet. So I'm going to go in with this one. And I just put it on my fingers and then rub straight onto my scalp. I don't make a big fuss out of it or anything like that. Suppose you could put it in like a bottle and drip it in too, But I just do it like this, quick and easy. And I don't use it that often that I feel like I need a bottle or anything. And that feels really good. I've been wearing this like wrap jewelry combo, and I've been getting a few comments when I'm out about it. People seem to like it, which sometimes I forget it's in my head. So it's kind of like, wait, what are you talking about now? I'm like, oh, okay. Thank you. I really like it too. And it looks like it's got some weight on it, but it doesn't. So, how are you guys all doing? I hope everyone is doing well. 2020, our world has had so much going on. It's been a doozy, right? But I feel like this will be good for us. We'll all come out even better. And we're going to go see some family today. And we don't have, we need to be out of here in a bit. So I am not fooling around, you guys. Okay, so after that, and I could stand here and, massage forever, but I'm not going to. Oh, that feels so darn good. After that, I am going to go in with the spray, even though I'm feeling good. Like my locks are feeling moisturized and nice. I am just going to give it a little extra today and go in with my rose water. This is my mix. You've seen me do this one before. In this one, I put extra vanilla. So, ooh, it has been smelling so good. But I'm just going to go in a little bit with that. I'm going to concentrate kind of down here, because again, the locks are feeling good. And I still got my little color on there. And I don't want to disturb my little color if I don't have to, I kind of want to keep it as long as I can. So I'm just going to kind of open it up and go in like that. Now, as I'm doing this, I'm also kind of feeling for any locks that need to be separated or popped. And surprisingly, I'm not feeling any, you guys, when I'm doing this. I thought because it was kind of feeling bulky, that would be the case, but I'm not. Let's take a little, closer look in here and see. That's kind of where my parts are, and they're not feeling, see that? Maybe bulky just because my roots are growing out nicely, but they're not stuck together or anything. Very nice. Oh, there was one kind of stuck. But if that was the case, if they were like really sticking, I would go through and pop them and then see how this is like. Can you see how that is like that? Like I have all of this part is like, not twisted, untwisted. That doesn't bother me. I do not care. But if you wanted to and you didn't want to retwist your whole head, you can just go in and twist just that part, to kind of refresh. And if you were going somewhere, you wanted to look a little bit more, I guess, sleek up around your edges and things, or if that just bothered you, you didn't like how it is, or like I said, it feels kind of bulky, you don't like how that feels, so you can just take that and just retwist around there. Or if they were sticking together a lot and you had to keep popping them, you can just do those. Like that. Even if you are a person who does not retwist your own hair, you can just do these ones in between your retwist with your person you go to. If you like that. You could go around and do something like that. Me, I do not care. So now I have these three over here. I guess I need to do these three too, huh? So I can look the same. For my hair, I think I'm going to go up. Like I said, we're going to see family. We're going to be at the pool. They have a pool. So I don't know if I'm going to get in or not. So for now, I'm just going to pull my front ones back again. And then later, I will do 2 ponies probably if I get in the pool. But for now, I'm just going to have these ones off of my face again. Okay, you guys, that is it. I'm all refreshed and ready to go. I am really loving how my locks are looking and feeling lately. So moisturized, like super duper low maintenance. I keep it simple anyways. But you saw right then, I didn't even need to do much to them. So I did a little refresh on my face too, but I am not the makeup person, so I didn't even go through that. But if you guys are interested, let me know down below and I'll let you know what I used. Anywho, this is how I'm looking. we are going to head out, and I post every Sunday and Thursday, so I will see you in another few days. Okay? Bye.